She her Tinder and saw Tinder love and yeah, she want another nigga, but Malia and Aya belong to me. That's my property. But y'all can have F-Rule. F-Rule want to act up. Y'all can have F-Rule. Bid's there for F-Rule.
I'm not up for grab.
Yes, you is, bitch. You up for grab because you keep acting the fuck up. Zoca gonna fuck you up if you. I'm telling you right now, Zoca gonna whip your ass. You go over there. Zoca gonna whip your ass. I'm telling you. I'm gonna tape it. I'm gonna put it on IG. Zoca versus IMU is going down, and
Like, nah, y'all keep playing me like I'm a soft bitch. I'm not no soft bitch.
Yo, I'm telling you, Zoca gonna fuck you up. Y'all wanna see? I'm telling you right now, it's gonna be Zoca versus goddamn IMU.
No, it's not.
And Zoca gonna fucking fight for so long hard, and we gonna put the gloves on and let him fight. You know what I'm saying? And we might let it be raw. Fuck the gloves, cause the gloves kind of corny. Haitians, motherfucking Zoca Haitian. Zoca, tell Zoca to pull up, goddamn.
Pull up.
No, Zoca not gonna have that shit for long. She say that shit because she's trying to be cordial. That's her man. She don't want you fucking over there. Zoca is gonna whip your ass. And when she gonna get so upset that you over here fucking Solar, getting attention from Solar. She gonna want to whip your ass. She in love with Solar, nigga. She don't think Zoca gonna want to fucking beat your ass.
But who was in my DM?
I'm just saying. You gonna have to go over there and get your ass whipped and then come back to daddy. Come on, go on over there and get your ass whipped by Zoca and then come. Cause Zoca could fight. Bitch, Zoca built like a motherfucker.
I'm not even on that.
Yeah,
no
Zoca.
On that. She's not even on that.
Yes, she is. Zoca's always ready to fight. I know that chick. She ready to fight you. She try, and she be having it motherfucking sucked in. But Zoca will fight you, my nigga. I'm just being all the way
I'll
with
fight
you.
back. If I'm hit, I'll fight back. But I'm not even trying to fight.
But she not even trying to have you over there with Solar at all. She trying to say back the fuck up. She want to take a challenge and all that. She'll try to face her demons. But truly, yo, man, call Zoca over here, man. Solar, where the fuck you at, man? You supposed to be watching this live, man. No, you got to understand where you supposed to be. If you supposed to be over here, you supposed to be over here. Where the fuck?
Your name is on my ass.
Exactly. As if you don't motherfucking know that. That fool gonna have to get that motherfucker covered up like velvet. Them light skinned bitches be acting up. You know how them light skinned bitches act. They be acting the fuck up.
I'm not getting nothing.
You getting it cut. You gonna do what the fuck I tell you to do. What you gonna do? Bitch, that's your motherfucking problem now. You got too much motherfucking mouth. Why you ain't?
I had the IG open.
Man, pull the IG up, nigga. Tell Zoca to come on the live, man. Yeah, we already doing it.
Okay, turn on.
That ain't nothing. Now you gotta hit it harder than that.
I know, that's cuffing. You gotta cuff.
It's a real nigga moment. Can't hold it in. Gotta talk about it. It's a real nigga moment.
Look at the numbers.
Can't hold it in. Gotta talk about it. It's a real nigga. Last time on a real nigga moment. Yeah, nigga, what's up? Hey, yo, Zoca, call in, nigga. We was talking about you, bruh. Zoca, call in, Zoca. You supposed to be on your month. You not supposed to be on period right now. But you on your period.
But no one else.
Call in, Zoca.
Look, she lit.
Look.
No one else on the period, though. Oh, what is fun?
Are you saying that you got this period?
Hey, check it out.
Yeah.
Zoca, I want you to keep it all the way real, my nigga. All the way G. Pound, nigga. Keep it all the way real, Zo. Zoe.
Yes, Baba G.
Hey, that motherfucker I come over there. You don't want her over there. And I told her, you gonna fuck Zoka off, and y'all gonna fuck around and get into it. And I said, Zoka won't beat your ass. She left her. And I said, listen.
She didn't say that.
And listen. She said she ready. If she ready to fight for it. I said, Haiti against Jamaica. Haiti against Jamaica.
Is Haiti and Jamaica right here?
Yo.
You got Haiti and Jamaica right here.
The crowd heard her say it. She said the people heard her motherfucking say it.
Daddy, I don't play that.
Zoka
gonna whip that
ass.
I don't play that.
Zoka gonna whip that. I'm just loud as
Don't catch me on a good day.
She said you ain't about to whip my ass for nothing.
Don't catch me on a good day. I still got areas.
She said it again. Listen, I told her. Listen. Zoka and Solar over there minding their business. She said she still wants the experience with Solar. I said, listen, let me tell you something. You gonna fuck around and piss Zoka off now, and Zoka gonna whip your ass. She said, Zoka ain't whipping nothing.
Oh!
Let's set it up. We can set it up.
I'm doing good.
We can fight for Solar. We can fight for Solar. I got my money on Zoka.
He ain't fighting for me, one fight for him.
I ain't got
Zoka. Everybody in the chat was like, Zoka gonna whip that ass.
I don't care about that, Baba G.
Zoka been holding a lot of shit in. She got a lot of shit.
But I've been
Zoka, a lot of shit built in. I know you.
I've been building stuff up, but I've been like shit been coming out with me. So I'm just
knuckle up. Knuckle up. Sonya versus Raven. Fight. Get over here.
There's no. Oh my gosh.
I feel like Don King. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna set the fight up. Who want to see the fight? Press
Who
1 if
fighting?
Zoka fight IMU. Press 1 if you want to see Zoka fight IMU. Jamaica versus Haiti.
Y'all need to go watch it.
Jamaica versus
There's no
Haiti.
competition.
Look at Solar, the first one to push one.
You ain't shit, bro.
There's no competition.
Solar was the first one to push one.
If you fight like
I want to see is Zoka a motherfucking beast, nigga. Zoka is that. She's an athletic motherfucker. Strong as shit,
I fight for my family. I don't gotta fight for her. Like that's some dumb shit to fight over.
No. It ain't dumb. I'm gonna tell you why it ain't dumb.
She want me as sister wife, okay?
Really? You think she wants you as a sister wife? Can we talk?
Wait. I said you ain't get along.
Hold on, Zoe. Let's be real, Zoe. On Zoe Pal, do you want her as a sister wife? I know you want her on a spiritual journey. You want to face and all that. Listen, you want to face your demon. But I'm asking you what you want.
Oh, she gonna square up with her demons. She finna square up with the demons.
Hold up. Zoka,
if it was up. Yeah.
Let me listen.
Zoka, listen to the question.
Mm-hmm.
You gotta keep it all the way real. This is shit is going. You have it your way like Burger King.
Right.
If you had it your way like Burger King. Do you want IMU as a sister wife? You have to fucking all the way be fucking real, my nigga. Cause everybody keep it fucking gully. And I'm not talking about facing your demons and challenging yourself and all that. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about all the way real.
I don't fuck with her because she wants Solar to herself and she doesn't understand.
No, I ain't asked you that. I ain't asked you that. I didn't ask you all of that. It's either a yes
that's
or
why I
no.
don't fuck with her.
No, I didn't ask you why. So no.
Nah.
Yeah, that's real. No is real.
Yeah.
Just no. Like they say the
Be
drugs.
Yeah,
Be
nah.
honest.
I'm real life, no.
No. That's what I'm saying. The answer is fucking know that. Jamaica versus Haiti.
Shocked by saying.
Yeah. No, look. You gotta understand one thing. That a motherfucker come in your relationship. This is how she feel. This is how you feel. Come here and face the reality of the situation. I fucking
She already
run.
got your name tatted anyway.
She already got my what?
Your name tatted on her butt anyway. Like,
Duh. But
it's a
she
stamp.
still fuck around and sniff over there. So because of this, I'm trying.
I understand Jamaican blood.
Huh?
I understand the Jamaican blood. That's
Yeah, because he's Jamaican.
yeah, but they ain't stopped no like slavery or nothing.
Jamaicans started the Haitian Revolution.
Big Zoe. Big
True.
Zoe.
I could prove it.
Zoe Pound.